Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on creating item modifiers. If you wish to offer additional levels of customization to your customers when ordering, you can create item modifiers from the Create Modifier screen. Here you can enter the name of the modifier. You can also customize the category in which the modifier will be grouped into. If you wish to create a new category, you can simply press the Add button, enter the name of the category, and then click Submit to make sure that this category can then be selected. If you want to charge the customer an additional price for the modifier, you can enter this here. You can also update any modifier details, for example, allergens, descriptions, ingredients, and calories, which would be visible to the customer when ordering and also visible on the eBOS. If you wish to upload an image for the modifier, you can click the Select an Image button to add this on also. Once you've completed all the necessary details, simply click the Add Modifier button to add the modifier and return to your menu. To add this modifier to a menu item itself, simply select your chosen item, select the Edit icon, and then press Advanced. Next, go to the Modifiers section, enter the modifier name. So for example, this will come up under Extras when the item is selected. You can then press the modifier. You can either select any full categories that have been created or individual modifiers. Once the relevant checkboxes have been selected, press Add All, and this will then add the modifier to the menu item. Here you can specify if the modifier is a mandatory or an optional requirement. If 0 is selected across the board, the modifier is entirely optional. You can also choose how many modifiers the customer can select in total. So for example, we will enter 1 here so the customer can select a maximum of 1. But the modifier is entirely optional as 0 has been selected in the minimum section. Once you've updated the modifiers and you're happy to proceed, simply click Update Item. This will then update the menu item and return to the menu screen. Thanks for watching.